Yeah, great morning to you. The Earthship. We're having a good time up here on the Redondo Mesa. So all you folks out there, love you. I hope you had a wonderful Independence Day, America's birthday. Everything's wonderful up here. Just another wonderful day. Yep. Oh, great. Have it come by, be with us, enjoy the camping and fun, everything else. Learn how to build an Earthship. Help the veterans. Help yourself. Learn how to do all of this stuff. Well, you're welcome anytime. We love you. God loves you. God bless America. Earthship out.